سلام كبرات تخاتلتي كميكن يخم دحند اللخوم لما عنتقا بحدش عينت أقباب أمهرا يتمليسكم زلخم لما عنتقا ندتريوا زلخم بكاميدي اندا سحقنا انجليش كن مهرينا مالتي كمزا تريوا زلخم أبزئة مجمرتات كابشن اللو انجليش بانجليش تي بصحفات بانجليش مالتي تتزاربو دحريو بتግርኛ أدما مصول لخم ذات ريوا زلخم دحر مودأتا دماني ترجمه بتግርኛ الله مالتي كم زي عند جبرنا حجي رأيون كل تدق سلسة كم زي أخل جيزان حدا تماهرنا دا سحقنا تبقنا مهرنا خن معبلنا مالتي حجي نبتي عداليز اللغة تحسه بلوكمي سنة مكتال.
So if a photon is directed through a plane with two slits in it and either slit is observed, it will not go through both slits. If it's unobserved, it will. However, if it's observed after it's left the plane but before it hits its target, it will not have gone through both slits.
Agreed. What's your point?
There's no point. I just think it's a good idea for a t-shirt.
Excuse me.
Hang on.
One across is Aegean, 8 down is Nabokov, 26 across is MCM, 14 down is, move your finger, Phylum, which makes 14 across Port-au-Prince. See, Papadoc's capital idea, that's Port-au-Prince. Haiti.
Can I help you?
Yes. Is this the high IQ sperm bank?
If you have to ask, maybe you shouldn't be here.
I think this is the place.
Fill these out.
Thank you. We'll be right back.
Oh, take your time. I'll just finish my crossword puzzle. Oh, wait.
Leonard, I don't think I can do this.
What, are you kidding? You're a semi-pro.
No, we are committing genetic fraud. There's no guarantee that our sperm is going to generate high IQ offspring. Think about that. I have a sister with the same basic DNA mix who hostesses at Fuddruckers.
Sheldon, this was your idea. A little extra money to get fractional T1 bandwidth in the apartment?
I know, and I do yearn for faster downloads. There's some poor woman who's going to pin her hopes on my sperm. What if she winds up with a toddler who doesn't know if he should use an integral or a differential to solve for the area under a curve?
I'm sure she'll still love him.
I wouldn't.
Well, what do you want to do?
I want to leave.
Okay.
What's the protocol for leaving?
I don't know. I've never reneged on a proffer of sperm before.
Let's try just walking out.
Okay.
Bye.
Nice meeting you.
اما بالخبرات تخاتلتي نايلو مع انتي تدالين زنبرا ناي The Big Bang Theory Season 1 Episode 1 نؤس كفالنا تقا هايلي اللي خويكا ايه مالتي قناتا Episode 1 كغتسليو ابستزازي مالا كالي جيزة لا حيزلكم كغربية مالتي ابزمتس قدمي ايقن كمتي كل جيزة زبلكم زا channel تريوا اللهم معباي ابي الله سابسكرايب لايك እንዳገበርኩም ነቲ ቪዲዮ ከዓ ሼር እናበልኩም ናብ ኩሉ ከም ዝባጻሕ ግበሪኹም እዚኣ ኣይትረስዑ ብዝተረፈ ክሳብ ኣብ ዝመጽእ ምስ ኤፒሶድ 1 ቢ ወይ ከዓ ለ ክሳብ ንራኸብ ሰሰናይ ናኹም